Name, please.
I don't have a middle name. I'm a junior, but I don't have a middle name.
All right, you ready to go, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor. And could you co-host me if you could? Thanks.
Yes. I got some people I'll get together as far as owner iPhone. What's your name, please?
No, I already did it. It wasn't that. I did it. It was just.
What's owner iPhone's name?
Wendell Golden.
Golden is Zoom user's name. Is that Golden?
Golden, yes. Golden.
This is the city of Detroit versus Alvin Lewis Jr. Case number SP 135059001. SP 1350591. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Lewis, can you state your name for the record, please?
Alvin Lewis Jr.
All right, today is the date and time set for a free trial. You were here yesterday. You need to provide that insurance and other paperwork.
Yes.
Let's see what you have, sir.
This is my registration. Is it legible?
Yes. All right, I'm satisfied.
Okay. Now my insurance, the writing is pretty small, so I don't know. I may have to.
Raise it up for me, please. I don't see a coverage date.
Okay. Hold on 1 second. So I can log into it online and expand that field, if that's okay.
Do that for me, please.
Okay.
What was the case name for him, Your Honor?
Alvin Lewis Jr. I don't.
Yeah, do you have one case number?
Yeah, SP 135059001.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hello.
Michael Eaton. Michael Eaton.
It's Monique Lewis. I changed the name. That's under the.
You're under Michael Eaton.
Yes, I Monique Lewis.
Michael Eaton's got to come to court too. Monique Lewis.
Ma'am, in the car on the iPhone. What's your name?
Velvet Lopez.
iPhone Lopez. Okay. Is this Monique Renee Lewis?
Yes, sir.
He was on the device owner's iPhone.
Erica Glover.
Good morning to you. Do you have a valid license, Miss Lewis, Monique Lewis?
No, I don't. I'm
Are
trying.
you trying to get a valid license?
Yes, sir.
What do you have to do that?
They denied my application to apply for it. They tell me that I had 2 or more moving violations.
You don't see them Lewis in the county? Just got one case. Yeah, she's on the middle of 8:30. Are you have that stuff, Mr. Lewis?
Well, under coverage, it doesn't give any dates. It just, only thing I see on here is a renewal date. But I don't see like a coverage date on here.
Who's the insurance with?
State Farm,
Are you signed on now?
yes.
All right, listen, I'm gonna dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good, safe, and happy holiday season, all right?
Hey, thanks, you do the same. Bye-bye.
And Your Honor, you said Miss Glover?
Yeah, Eric Glover.
Do we have Erica Glover on the docket, Your Honor?
Yes.
I don't know.
I'm not seeing it. I looked.
I don't see it either.
Ma'am, are you sure you're supposed to be here for Tuesday, December 6th?
Yes.
I'm looking at her now.
Okay.
No, she's not supposed to be here today. She was supposed to be here on 9/30/2022 at 1:30. And then she has a show pause on 6/23/2023. All right, we'll still call the case.
How's she spelling the first name, Your Honor? I'm gonna rename the device.
That's Ericka. Is this Erica Ashley Glover?
Yes.
ERICC. What your first name is, Glover?
ERICCA.
Okay.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Monique Renee Lewis, case number SP134-16631. Appearance for the record, please.
Monique Lewis.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant.
Let's run our driver's license, please. I don't have an ROA here. I got a suspended repeat offender, Mr. Faulkner. The ticket dates back to April 16, 2022. I'm gonna run our driver's license and see what's going on.
Okay.
Mr. Gunn, are you there? Mr. Sean Gunn?
Oh, Gwen, yes, sir. I'm here. I'm sorry.
All right. Let's pass Ms. Lewis's matter. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Deshaun Cortez Gunn, case number SP124-39962. SP124-39963. SP126-9968, counts 1 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant.
Deshaun Cortez, Gwen.
Here's these are up for review, Your Honor.
Yeah, he's up for review, so I'm gonna close out SP124-399-6, count 3. We paid that. The other ones I see, SP126-99681, he's paid it down to $25, and then you got the other 2. What's going on with the money, sir?
Oh, yes, sir. I had fell behind on my rent. I I had paid $500. I think I just owe you like $500 more. I was just trying to see if I could just get a little bit more time, or see if I can get it either on the payment plan.
So let me until February 6th, 2023.
Okay.
There's nothing further. Have a safe and happy holiday season, sir.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Monique Renee Lewis. I'm in possession of her driver's license. And when did you try to go get a license, Miss Lewis?
That was in 2021. It was in June. That's when she told me that it was in denial.
You need to go back to the Secretary of State, man. Try to go back to the Secretary of State. I'm gonna give you the opportunity to see if you can get a valid license. Bring a valid license and I'll dismiss the case, all right? I'll give you a pre-trial date. I need some days. All right, I'm gonna give you a pre-trial date of January the 23rd, 2023 at 8:30, all right?
Okay.
Bring valid license. Yes. All right. If there's nothing further, have a safe and happy holiday season, man.
Thank you.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Erica Ashley Glover, case number SP 1300121, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P70578, on behalf of Ms. Glover. Take your name for the record, please.
Erica Glover.
Ms. Glover, do you have a valid license?
No, I went to take my written test and I passed it and they couldn't give me the paper because I don't have my birth certificate. My birth certificate don't come till the middle of January. So once I get that, I will be able to do my driver's test.
Do you have a valid insurance on this vehicle?
Yes.
All right,
I actually emailed it to you guys.
you emailed it to me?
Yes, I called last Monday and got the email and I actually emailed it to you guys.
I have to pay this $45 reinstatement fee.
Who?
Erica Ashley Cross. Erica Ashley Glover.
Yes.
You got a reinstatement fee that you're gonna have to pay. You're not gonna get a driver's license until you pay that $45 reinstatement fee. I'm gonna allow you to pay this $45 fee up front. You're gonna have to come down to the courthouse and bring $45 in.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Need to get an ink pen, ma'am, so I can give you the ticket number to pay. All right.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right. SP 1300121.
Okay, I'm sorry. Could you repeat that again, please?
SP 1300121.
Okay.
You paid this one ticket, huh? You paid a prohibited left turn ticket. How old are you, ma'am?
I just turned 36.
All right, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna dismiss the tickets because she paid a related civil infraction.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. There's nothing further, ma'am. Have a safe and happy holiday season. The cases are gonna be dismissed. You don't have
Thank
to-
you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right, have a great day.
You too.
All right, what about Irvin Tani? I don't see them on here anymore. That brings me down to the gentleman in the iPhone 2. I know that gentleman there pretty
Wendell
well.
Golden.
No, not you, sir.
My God.
Tony Owens.
Owens.
That's right.
I'm gonna get that on the first time. Next time, Tony Owens. Comes in from the same the place as well. You're at work?
No.
I ain't even talking about shit, bro. Don't ask for
Morning,
the
Mr.
phone
Owens.
call.
What are we
Hurry the
doing
fuck
back?
up, say my name. Your Honor, somebody speaking from an iPhone. We can't hear you.
I hear you, sir.
Mr. Owens, what are we doing back?
I had took the class you asked me to take, and I reinstated my license. And we were just trying to get these
Have
tickets taken
valid
care of.
license now?
Yes.
All right, let's pull his license, please, when you pull the file. Did you send me the information on the class?
Yes. I think it was November the 15th, 14th or 15th. I sent it to you.
I have it. Congratulations on that. Let me get
Thank
Mr.
you.
Gostin here to get you an offer then.
Okay. I don't know, Your Honor. I don't know if you remember last time I was telling you about the careless driving ticket that I never received that. And you was telling me that it was a 2000 Chevy 19 car, and I was telling you I don't have no aware of that. I have a 2014 car.
Don't speak on it, sir. Let the lawyer take care of it for you, all right?
Okay. All right.
I mean, if it's something, you refresh the lawyer and then filter all that through the lawyer.
Okay.
But I do remember. All right, let's, Mr. Irvin Tinja,
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
are you the attorney?
I am, sir. I'm here for Anton Ludroy.
Anton Lujoy.
Yeah, case number SP 129267881 OT.
Here.
I'm trying to get him on the phone, Your Honor. 2 minutes, please, if I may.
Trying to get in there.
Have you worked out a deal for this, or what are you gonna do?
I was hoping to talk to the prosecutor, Your Honor.
All right. Boss, are you there?
Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor.
I need an offer for Mr. Owens too, when you get, as soon as you can, all right?
You mean Tony Owens?
Tony Owens, he's got a driver's license, he's got all the necessary stuff.
He needs a driving improvement class.
He's already taken that.
Oh, okay.
He's
All
already
right.
taken. Let me put you in a breakout room, Mr. Owens, with Ms. Bradfield, and speak to her about your situation. That way she will be ready for the offer comes.
Oh, okay. I remember Mr. Owens.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go with Sean Lewis.
Yeah, hey, Your Honor, yeah.
Where's Mr. Warbler?
Hey, Your Honor.
How you doing? Is this
All right.
Sean Lewis?
Yeah, I'm here.
You signed under my name?
Yep, exactly.
Mr. Warbling, are you there?
Yes, I am, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning. This is the City of Detroit versus Sean Lewis, case number SP 124-48951, SP 124-489-6222. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werling, P64889 on behalf of Mr. Lewis.
All right, Mr. Lewis, state your name for the record, please.
Sean Lewis.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial, Mr. Warbling. What do you want to do?
Judge, offer.
Well, you know, Mr. Goss's standard offer has a 625G on his license.
Okay.
Did that get taken care of?
I believe it's still pending, Judge. So with that being said, we would,
I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Goss if you want.
actually, Judge, if we could set it for a bench trial, that might be the way we wanted to go on this, if that's okay with the court.
That's all right with me.
Okay.
All right, trial date is gonna be, January 31st, 2023, at 9 a.m., all right?
Very good, Judge.
If there's nothing further, Mr. Lewis, have a safe and happy holiday season. I'll see you in the new year, and I'll see you soon, Mr. Butler.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Lewis, I'll be giving you a call shortly. Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Thank you.
Yes.
Is Yolanda Lewis here?
Lannis,
Lannis?
yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's why I didn't come up.
Your Honor, if it's possible, could I step away for just a couple minutes?
Yes.
Thank
Ms. Lannis, good morning to you. Do you have a valid registration and insurance?
Yes.
Can you pull those documents out for me, please? Chase Riplo?
Chase Strobel, good morning, Your Honor, on behalf of Manuel Lowe.
Low. Good morning to you. Pronounce the last name for me, please.
Lau, L-U-O.
No, your last name.
Oh, Robel.
Roll.
They were cheap on the vowel.
Formal hearing, we're gonna wait until, you got about 7 more minutes for that officer to show up. If the officer doesn't show up, we'll get you out of here in a few minutes.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Yes. I just wondered. All right, do you have those documents, Ms. Linus?
Yes, I have them.
All right, let's see what you have.
This is my registration.
Okay. Let's
and my insurance.
All right, I always see everybody brings in cure.
Yeah.
They cure their problem, but when I call cure, they couldn't cure my problem. I don't know why. They discriminate against me or something? I don't know. They didn't cure my problem.
Mr. Owens, remember the ad says 616 when the kid was driving and a blockade. Huh? Yeah, but you gotta carry it. Yeah, 3 speeding tickets. So you gotta, something gotta hit. So remember that's the 616 and a blockade. Huh?
Whenever Miss Wall,
So this is my me.
I'm back, Your Honor.
okay, let's call the city of Detroit versus Yolanda. What's that? Jamila Lannis?
Linus, yes,
I got it correct. I got it correct.
yes.
Case number SP 1314584, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner representing defendant, Your Honor.
All right. State your name for the record, Ms. Lana.
Yolanda Jamila Linus.
Well, let me ask your lawyer, Mr. Faulkner.
Yes, sir.
How was the Art Institute the other day? Did you go?
I went Friday.
How did you enjoy it?
It was great.
All right.
Had 75 Van Goghs all at once, so it was very interesting.
Did you buy it?
I only bought 2 of them. I wanted more, but couldn't afford it. I need to work more house council days.
You need some more house council. You need some more house council days for that. Mr. Chase can help you out there. He's getting retained work.
Is that right?
Yeah, some bad goes, so hopefully they take cash. Is that all right?
Yeah. All right. All right. I'm going to dismiss your case, ma'am, for providing valid documentation. You have a safe and happy holiday season. If you don't have any questions, you're free to leave. All right.
Same to you. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Let's call the city of Detroit versus. Well, let's see what these cases we're going to call. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Tony Owens. Case number SP 105-84761, SP 125-7062, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 135-2194, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner representing defendant. Your name?
Is Mr. Owens there? Oh, I think he's in a breakout room with Miss Bradford. All right, we'll pass that matter. Wait for them to come back. Let's call the city of Detroit, no, strike that. Let's call the state of Michigan versus Mannion Low.
Good morning, Your Honor. Chase Roble on behalf of Mr. Lowe.
All right, case number SX4126015. Can you put your P number on the record, Counselor?
I'm sorry about that. P78325.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a formal hearing in the matter. I've given the officer a half hour, or the trooper, I would think, a half-hour grace period. And I don't see a trooper Mill Blocker or a trooper Herba. So at this time, you want to make a motion, Counselor?
Based upon that, Your Honor, I would request the dismissal of this matter.
Oh, let's see about your client. Where's your client?
Your Honor, I don't believe my client was notified to be present, given that it's a formal hearing only.
And you have, you want to make a motion on her presence?
Yes, on her behalf, I would waive her presence and ask that the case be dismissed.
I'm gonna grant that motion to waive her presence, civil infraction, and at this time I'll dismiss the case. If there's nothing further, have a safe and happy holiday season.
Your Honor, same to you. Thank you very much.
All right. Okay. Contingent.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, where, your client never made it?
He did. He's here. My client is here, Your Honor, and I did have a chance to speak to the prosecutor on this one. And basically, we agreed that at this point, he's going to take a driving improvement class, and we're gonna come back.
Okay. I thought I turned this one out. This is the city of Detroit versus Anton, Georgia. Can I get the correct pronunciation of that, please?
Anton, last name Ludry.
Ludry, I'm sorry. Case number SP 129-26781. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Irvin T. Knight here on behalf of the defendant.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I guess we'll give them another pretrial. That's going to be January 23rd, 2023 at 8:30. I'm going to put information to the defense to the class in the chat. All right, there's the information. You need to take a screenshot of that, sir. The offer is going to be contingent upon you successfully completing that class. You can give me that. You can send that certificate directly to me, and that will expedite things for your next time you show up. I got a pretrial date, January 23rd, 2023. At 8:30 a.m. There's nothing further. You and your counsel have a safe, happy holiday season, and I'll see you in the new year.
I appreciate it, Judge. Really quick, I'm sorry. You said it was on a screen?
Yeah, it's in the chat.
Oh, okay. I got it. I got it. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Have a Merry Christmas to you. Thank you.
Have a better one. Thank you.
Yep, thanks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Seems like I'm having deja vu. Seems like I've been trying to get things on. And I'm not getting. very good. All right, let's move on. This is the city of Detroit versus Angela Lentz. Case number is 134-2588, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. Your name, ma'am?
Angela Lentez.
Lentez, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
You got me together. You got me together, didn't you, Miss Lentez?
Yes, I did.
That's what's up. All right. Today is the date and time set for a show cause, Mr. Faulkner. Well, let's see. Yes, a show cause, Mr. Faulkner. Go ahead.
Your Honor, is that, you'll be treated as an arraignment?
Yes.
Okay, my client raised a formal reading and stands mute, Your Honor.
I will enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond, and we'll ask your client, do you have any valid insurance now?
Yes, I do.
If you have valid insurance, I'll offer you a blocking traffic for this driving in an unsafe manner. We'll close it out with $175. That won't have any points on your license, and it will not abstract to the Secretary of State. I call it akin to an expensive parking ticket. You have an absolute right to a trial, and you can speak with Mr. Faulkner in a breakout room if you need help making an informed decision.
Yes, I would like to do that.
You want to speak to Mr. Faulkner?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Faulkner, you got to take care of her. She was born a day after I was born a day. I don't know how to do that because I'm a little bit young, but her birthday is the day after mine.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice.
Your Honor, the one that's being reduced, what was the original charge?
The original charge is unsafe manner. Unfortunately, there is no notes to tell me on the ticket at all it's just violation of a basic speed law. So apparently he felt that Ms. Lentez was speeding and did not give any notes to say how he came to that conclusion or what. All I see is violation of basic speed law, and he was a little bit cumulative. Who is this? Acevedo Boyles. He's a little bit cumulative. He writes her for a no proof of insurance civil infraction and a no insurance misdemeanor on the same ticket. So a no insurance misdemeanor, drove in an unsafe manner, and a no proof of insurance civil infraction. Go ahead, she's waiting on you to break out room, Mr. Faulkner.
And the unsafe manner would be reduced to blockading?
Yes.
And the other two dismissed. Okay.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Tony Owens. Mr. Bradfield, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Owens. State your name for the record, sir.
Tony Owens.
Right. Let me congratulate Mr. Owens. I mean, I feel like we know each other real well because he's been here enough times, but he took care of what he said he was going to do, and I appreciate and applaud that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So I know that he had a conversation and he mentioned something about the careless driving. Nevertheless, I think that Mr. Goss, let me remember, he was going to give him a limited access. He wanted me to let you know, sir, that you have 3 speeding tickets. You have a disregarding, a red flasher or something. You have to control and correct your driving. And he says he would do that if I read you the riot act. And I said, you know something, I think that you learned your lesson. I hope you have.
Yes, that driver class helped me learn a lot about the road.
Right. So is there anything that you need to say, Ms. Bradfield, on behalf of Mr. Owens after your conversation in the breakout room?
Mr. Owens have complied. He did have a license. He does have insurance. He did take the driver improvement course. I will say that the careless driving ticket, he can't establish a factual basis. He believes that's an ID theft situation. So we left with 2 more. And in light of him completing the driver's improvement course, we would like to request blockading for 1 and dismissal of the other.
Well, let's get Mr. Goss on the line. Where's Mr. Goss? Because he did give me a verbally about an offer. Let's see. All right, let's wait till Mr. Goss comes online, because what I'm hearing now is that you want to contest the careless driving, right? And that's the one he had particular concern about. Let me give him an opportunity to speak on that. So wait momentarily, and then we will give him an opportunity to speak, all right?
Okay.
Let's pass the matter momentarily. This is the city of Detroit versus. This is the city of Detroit versus Wendell Bolton. Case number SP 131-47601. Appearance for the record, please.
Wendell Golden.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Golden.
Okay, Mr. Golden, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. I think Ms. Bradfield knows how I feel about these tickets, but you have an absolute right to a trial, sir. You can pay this ticket $240.
Okay.
Today, it will not have any effect on your driver's license whatsoever. It'll be a misdemeanor, but I'll dismiss the misdemeanor. Or you can set a trial date. I can give you that trial date. You can't do any worse. You can only do better, or it'll just stay the same. What would you like to do, sir? You want to speak to Ms. Bradfield?
Yes.
All right, let's put you in a breakout room. You speak to Ms. Bradfield and let us know what you want to do when you come out.
We're ready on Ms. Lentez, Your Honor.
Lentez, I better not get that wrong. All right, you ready? Let's go back on the record with Mrs. Angela Marie Lentez. Ms. Lentez, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We're responsible to blockading traffic with understanding the other 2 cases to be dismissed.
That's what you want to do, Ms. Lentez?
Yes.
She said yes. I know it's hard coming out there $175, especially at these times.
Yeah, that would have went straight to my grandkids.
Yeah, I know. It's still going to your grandkids too, because you're gonna get some money for them, that's for sure.
That's for sure. Yeah.
Pretty no. All right, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for your responsibility on behalf of your client, Mr. Faulkner?
Yes, Your Honor.
Will you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Lentez, $175. When can you pay?
The second week of January.
That's a good day. That would be
On a Friday.
I
Second
told you
Friday.
that wasn't gonna stop her from that, getting those grandkids those gifts. January 13th, 2023, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app on your phone or come down to the courthouse and pay it in person. If there's nothing further, Ms. Lentez, have a safe, happy holiday season. And That's it. Enjoy your grandkids.
Thank you.
All right. You're free to leave now.
We ought to have a waiver of cost for grandkids, Your Honor.
They don't. They don't. Let's see, Mr. Lloyd, Christopher Lloyd.
Yes, Your Honor.
One ticket is, good morning to you. One ticket is set for, let me see if this is you. What's your date of birth?
2/16/1981.
The City of Detroit versus Christopher Lloyd, case number SP 131-44481. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Christopher Lloyd.
Okay, good morning to you, Mr. Lloyd.
Good morning.
Let's see what's going on with this too. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Lloyd, you have valid insurance, sir?
Yes.
Can I see a copy of that, please? Is he holding that up? Let's see.
It's up there. Can you get it closer?
I can see it, back it up a little bit
Oh, okay.
and go over to the expiration date. All right, I need to see some valid insurance, please. And unless he's saying that was valid date.
I don't have insurance for that vehicle right now because I'm not driving that vehicle. But this is the insurance I had at the time. This is the insurance I had at the time I was pulled over in that vehicle.
Let's see what you have. That doesn't tell me that you had insurance effective February 2nd, 2022. All right, I will accept that because it does say this ticket was written on February 15th. All right. All right. I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation, sir. If there's nothing further, you have a safe and happy holiday season, all right?
All right, you too, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Moving along. You're free to leave, Mr. Lloyd. Mr. Gooch.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. All right, he's been here before. And didn't take care of your business the first time.
Say it again, sir.
I said, let me see. Say, it seems like you've been here before. I think you've been here before. And you
Yes,
you didn't take care of your business.
Far as what? I didn't
Paying $175. Well, I don't know if he's been here scheduled for a hearing. No, he hasn't been here.
No, yeah, they didn't tell me I had to pay anything. I wasn't even driving a vehicle. I have like a fleet of vehicles, and we was kind of parked, and the person driving the vehicle.
Hold on 1 second.
Okay.
Let's say the City of Detroit versus Aaron Marcus Gooch, case number S. This is SD.
Yeah, come on.
That goes all the way back to 2010.
Yeah.
Case number SP 1363802, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name again, sir?
Aaron Gooch.
Speak to Mr. Gooch in the breakout room, Mr. Faulkner.
Okay, what's the offer on it, Honor? Your Honor,
I don't know what the offer is. He's got a blocking traffic
and a no
Yeah,
operator's license.
and a no ops ticket. So I'm just assuming that the officer, he was, that the, you know, he just mentioned about a fleet of vehicles and the car was sitting there. And I guess the officer approached someone.
Yeah, he approached me and
Hold
I
on a
told him,
second, sir. Let me
Okay.
just, let me let your lawyer do the talking, all right?
okay, thank you.
You might not want to talk right now. And somebody apparently didn't provide their license according to the officer. That's the officer's word. All right, so Mr. Goss, where's Mr. Goss?
Don't see him on the, on our Zoom. Might be in with, Miss Bradfield. I don't see her,
Here, he's not in there with Mr. Bradfield. Speak to Mr. Gooch and see what's going on, and then I'll get Mr. Goss in here, and then
Okay.
he can argue on his behalf. All right, let's move on to,
did you give us a breakout room, Your Honor?
yes, you got 3. Join the breakout room, Mr. Gooch. All right, who's on that phone at 702-720-9312?
Earth Langley.
Langley? Morning to you. Who's on the iPhone down there? That just called.
Me, Miss Vershawn Love.
Are you all right? You need some water? Get yourself some water or something?
I need a horse.
Oh, I can't help you with that.
I know I'm getting one now.
The last 3 digits should be 40. Listen, it's 360-343-000. It's 4 is 4 packs. You'll need to be able to eat it. Just like numbers. Just listen.
Okay. Mr. Owens, Ms. Bradfield's going to speak with you. She already got it.
Yeah, we already talked.
Who else?
Window gold.
Gold, he's on the line.
That's
He's
it.
talking.
Right.
Just to allow him.
Cassie is fine. She's actually on my phone right now.
That's it. Gooch. Gooch is in the breakout room. Mr. Faulkner, he's got one offer on Gooch. He's talking to Gooch right now. There is Langley. Let's give her an offer. Miss Lopez, Delbert. Victoria Lopez.
Yes, sir.
How you doing? Do you have insurance, ma'am?
I had insurance at the time. My policy for State Farm is not started yet until I get paid.
All right, you got, for this disregard the red signal, $175 blocking traffic ticket. Has 0 points. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State. It's like an expensive parking ticket. You can take that deal. You can set it for trial. I'll let you speak with the lawyer. If you need to help.
Sir, I have to take that deal at this time.
Very well. Let's wait until they come back. We'll get you out of here. Here, Miss Langley. Miss Langley, I've seen Miss Langley. We've seen Miss Langley before. It's not her first rodeo. Right, Miss Langley? Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Aaron Gooch. Mr. Gooch, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do? I do have Mr. Goss here at this time. He's got a blocking traffic ticket and a no ops ticket. What's his offer going to be, Mr. Goss? Mr. Gooch, Aaron Gooch, blocking traffic and a no ops.
Do you have driver's license?
Do you have a valid license, Mr. Gooch?
No, that's my whole thing. So this is my company. So they are
Just
driving.
hang on, Mr. Gooch. Let me do
And
some
all that
talking
time
here.
in that, you spend all that time in the breakout room and you won't let the professionals speak on your behalf.
Go ahead, Mr. Paul.
All this money you're paying me, man, you better listen.
Oh, let's go back on the record with Mr. Aaron Gooch.
Your Honor, my client is pleading not guilty. He never drove the car to the spot, or he never drove it. He just didn't drive it. So he doesn't need a license if he's not driving and he didn't park it there. If there's blockading traffic, it wasn't him. Simple as that.
Mr. Goss wants to go to trial on it. I would just say give $175 and close it out, but that's Mr. Goss.
No, I'm saying that I think do the blockade, but that's it.
$175, sir, or you can go to trial and you can fight it. It's up to you.
I just want to pay it so I can get this over with. This is like my third time kind of coming, so I'll just pay it. Whatever I
We
got to do.
accept it, Your Honor. We accept the face of the ticket as
Hey,
a
hold him, so
basis
you-
of the responsible plea. There will be no points on your record or nothing goes on your record, Mr. Gooch, in this matter.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
He said this is his third time. I know he's been here before.
Yeah, when I did come, they just sent me to the breakout room. I talked to Mr. Boffman.
Harry.
Why? Oh, he missed a court date. It appears.
When was this?
This is scheduled for arraignment. Scheduled for pre-trial. I don't know what's. You can set it for trial if you want to see if you can save yourself $175.
I just want to go ahead and get it over with so I can get my license. That's what I want to do.
All right.
Do I just come down there and make that payment?
Just be patient, man.
When you stipulate the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for the responsible plea counselor.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, will you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gooch, you owe $175 blocking the traffic. I'll dismiss the no ops ticket. When can you pay it?
Today.
Sir, you can come down to the courthouse and pay it.
Today.
Yes.
All right, very well, I'm gonna put it in for just the 9th, so I mean, pay it at any DivDag kiosk in the city of Detroit or come down to the courthouse and pay it. You still got, you owe another $256.20 for that old 2010 ticket, that's up to you. But all I'm concerned about today is $175. We'll close it off.
Is that what's, can I ask you a question? Is that what's holding up my license? Because they said I had another ticket down there.
No, it's nothing holding up your license here, I don't believe.
Because every time I go to Secretary of State, they're telling me that I owe Detroit. I've already paid Warren, I already paid
Run
nobody.
this driver's license, please. Sit tight.
That 210 might be. Still going back to promotion.
No, it's all, he only has that 2010, that's a limited access. That's been years ago. So that's not holding his license up. And nothing should be holding your license up here. We'll look at it and see. There, he's gonna get his money's worth right there, all right? All right, let's go with, let's Wendell Ward. He's having a long conversation. This is the city of Detroit versus Shannon Jamel Gaston, case number 217-122-621. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Shannon Gaston.
All right, today is the day. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time
Morning.
set for a trial. Is there Officer Weaver here? Officer Weaver. Hearing no response, you want to make a motion, Counselor?
Motion to dismiss, no officer, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case, grant the motion, and I'm going to waive the warrant fee, sir. Nothing further. Have a safe, happy holiday season, and good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. You likewise.
All right, Miss Bradfield is not back. I'll get Tony Owens out. I'll get Wendell Horton out, and Miss Bradfield comes back. That leaves me with Velvet Lopez.
Hi, how y'all doing?
How are you?
My name Danielle Lanier. I was just letting y'all know that I'm here for court today. I know I was running behind.
Driver's license. Let's see what we got. When's the last time you've been to the Secretary of State, Mr. Gooch? Seems like quite some time ago.
I just went there the top of the summer. You got a
Top of the
printout.
summer?
Yes, sir.
At the middle of the summer?
No, probably like May.
Okay.
It's actually around my birthday. My birthday's in
I
May.
don't see what's holding his license up at all.
Yeah, the lady told me, she said I had a speeding ticket from 2004 and 2010 for Detroit.
So maybe that 2010 ticket is messing with you. That would be a shock to me. They gave everybody a break on those. 10/1/2020. You didn't go to the Secretary of State this year, did you?
Yeah, this year for my before my birthday.
I trust that you said, I mean, are you sure? No, that 10/10 ticket is not affecting his license.
Yeah, I went this year and got a printout because I need to know what was holding up my license because I had a dispute in Warren. So I went to the Secretary of State this year.
Look at it. I don't see anything. He's got a better eye for those things than I do. Who is this?
That's the junction.
Oh, I didn't see that. Langley, where are you? All right, let's call the city of Detroit. Hold on a second. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Velvet Victoria Lopez. Case number SP138-6454, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant. In your name, sir, or is that the ma'am or sir? Ma'am.
Lopez.
Offer your client a blocking traffic, $175. Dismissing the other 2 counts. She has an absolute right to a trial. I believe off the record, she indicated she'd take that deal. Is that right, Mrs. Lopez?
Yes.
Will you stipulate on behalf of your client to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for the responsible plea counsel?
Yes, your honor.
Will you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, your honor.
I find you responsible for the admitted count of blocking traffic now, $175. What can you pay?
When can I pay? I can pay December 16th is when I get paid. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we're listening, Ms. Lopez.
I'm gonna give you till December 23rd now. Make sure you get that paid on December 16th. You can close the matter out. You won't have any driver's license repercussions, all right?
Yes, sir.
You're free to go, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Safe holiday season, man. Good luck to you.
Thank you. Bye.
All right, I don't see anything wrong. I don't see anything why you can't get a license. You're gonna have to go ask them, what's holding you up now.
So you guys don't see anything for Warren in there?
Yes, but it was reinstated on 10/1/2020.
It sounds like you might have a year might have passed you up quick. You might have went to the Secretary of State last year on your birthday.
So I did have an appointment before, but I'm gonna go again today and I'm gonna see. I'm gonna go again right now.
Have a
Want
good-
this on
good-
the record, Your Honor? Are we back?
No, we're not on the record, no. Have a safe, happy holiday season, sir. Good luck to you, all right?
Same to all you. Thank you, Mr. Paul.
Well, my pleasure, and good luck.
Okay. So that leaves us with Ms. Langley. And Ms. Langley, where is your face?
And she has appointed counsel.
Where are you, Miss Arias Langley?
It's Eris Langley. I'm cutting on right now, Judge.
She's on the phone, your honor. The different.
Yeah, I know. She's on the whatchamacallit too. She has a lawyer appointed to her.
Sarah Robinson.
Where is, get Miss, let's wait. Let's get Miss Robinson in here. Can you call Miss Robinson, please? Yeah. All right, let's go. Who's on the Queen D? Queen D. Hey, Queen D.
Hi, how you
are
doing?
What's your name, Queen D?
Danielle Lanier.
Government name, right? Queen D is your handle, right?
Yes.
That's what they call you?
I call myself that.
Is that what they call you?
Yes.
D. I heard of Queen D, now I've heard of Queen D. All right. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Danielle Shante Lanier. Case number SP 1347732, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant. And your name again, ma'am?
Danielle Lanier.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Miss Lanier, do you have valid insurance and registration?
Actually, this was for someone else's car. I submitted the paperwork in for the vehicle.
All right, where did you submit it?
Email, hold on one second. The email was ctrm434@36districtcourt.org.
All right, let's see if Mr. Mathis has that email. that's not due up to date. And that language not up to date.
Well, it is up today. She said she's a judge. She worked over here.
Say what?
She's a judge. Bill's courtroom, and she's on her way.
434 for Lanier. I don't know if it's gonna say Queen D or not under the email address.
It should say, dlanier245@gmail.
To the search box, and just, you got it? Registration December 22nd, 2022, for what type of vehicle?
2000.
Okay, I got it. I got it. You don't have to guess. So. I got registration for 2000. What, do we have insurance?
I believe she did, but I didn't have that document to submit it in.
Here's the problem, Mr. Faulkner. In the notes, it says driver operating vehicle with registered owner in passenger seat. Registered owner put plate from previous car on vehicle. Reason for stopping was improper plate. Driving on East State Fair, passing Gratiot intersection.
Yes, sir.
So where's Mr. Goss? All right. I don't know what the, she's got two improper, I don't know why they do this. Okay, I guess improper plate, they're saying that another plate was on the vehicle, and then unregistered, untitled. Do you have insurance for this vehicle?
This is not my vehicle, so
She can't get insurance.
You want to set a trial date, or you want to see if you can talk to Mr. Faulkner, Mr. Goss, Mr. Faulkner?
Well, my advice is to plead not guilty and get a trial date and see if the officer shows up or not. Not, she can still present her defense, Your Honor.
It looked like valid registration. I don't know why somebody that has valid, let me see that registration again.
that's what she just recently had swapped the plate
Don't say
over,
anything,
like
ma'am.
transferred
Don't
her
say
plate
anything.
and title
Don't-
over to
don't
the
say
new
anything,
vehicle.
ma'am. Don't say anything. Let me
Okay,
see
I'm sorry.
registration, please.
Do I supposed to pull it up?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm
Well, how am I
sorry.
supposed to see it?
Give me one second. I don't.
Where is it? I don't see her anymore.
Well, her name's on the screen.
I see.
She put it on. No,
I'm trying to find the registration because I only had a picture of it. I didn't have the full.
You just showed it to me.
Did she show it or did you have an email, Your Honor?
They did it through the email.
Oh, let's see the email. Did you send me the email, Ms. Mathis?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
All right, let's pass it. Let's pass it and see. We're waiting on your lawyer, Ms. Langley. Who else is on the iPhone?
Marshawn Love.
Love. Did you get the halls, ma'am?
Yeah, yes, Your Honor.
Okay. This is allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, Mr. Faulkner. I don't know what else, but if there's anything else.
Well, my opinion on those is always plead I'm not guilty.
Sometimes they don't take your advice. She always, it says here, she always allows somebody to drive without a license.
No,
You got two of them. So.
it was not my car.
For Miss, let's go back on the record for Miss, Lanier. I'm provided with a, valid registration seemingly at the time. Seems like they got this registration on February 25th, 2022.
Yes, and I also sent in the title as well.
I don't need the title.
Okay.
Where's Mr. Goss? Kenneth Crooks was here.
You said you didn't need a title, Your Honor, but the charges unregistered are untitled. So that's why she sent both in, just to be sure.
I got that. Yeah, they usually, but the registration tells me that the title is good.
Yeah, I agree with you, but
All right,
that's,
Mr.
you know,
Hold on, let's go off the record. Mr. Crooks, you're supposed to be next door in 435.
Yes, Your Honor. I've been over there since 9 o'clock. Nobody has been, I've been waiting since 9 a.m. Nobody has shown up or anything.
Oh, okay. I think I hear him over there. Kim Crooks. All right. I'm waiting on Mr. Goss. He's got to make an offer for this Miss Lanier.
Okay.
And it wasn't your vehicle.
No.
All right, let's pass it one more time. Now we have Mrs. Bradfield back. Let's go back on the record. Let's pass the Mr. Lanier's matter and go to, let's go back on the record for Mr. Golden.
Golden, correct.
Mr. Golden, I've given you time to speak with Ms. Bradfield in a breakout room. Ms. Bradfield, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, I did speak to Mr. Goss. There's a recommendation to dismiss. We stipulate the probable cause.
Mr. Golden.
No, Mr. Goss is the prosecutor.
On Golden, you spoke with him?
Yeah, I spoke to Mr. Goss on the phone, Your Honor.
All right. All right. Based on that recommendation, I'm going to dismiss the case, Mr. Gold. Have a safe, happy holiday season, and good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate it.
All right, very well. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Tony Owens. Mr. Owens, I've given you opportunity to speak with Ms. Bradfield as well. Ms. Bradfield, what is the recommendation for Mr. Owens?
Your Honor, I did speak to Mr. Goss, and there's been a slight change in the offer. Mr. Owens, please listen carefully. That if Mr. Owens was to plead responsible to 16 to 20 in miles per hour posted speed, over 16 to 20 over posted speed, it will be reduced down to limited access speeding 1 to 5. That's 0 points, sir, but it is abstracted on your driver's license. And also, if he plead responsible to 1 to 5 over posted speed, it will be reduced down to blockading traffic, which is 0 points, but not abstracted on your driving record, Mr. Owens. and the balance of his matters will be dismissed.
So $175 plus $125, and the careless driving is dismissed as well, right?
Yes, Your Honor. Is that something you would like to do, Mr. Owens, or do you need to go back into the breakout room to discuss it with me?
Yes, yes, that's
Okay.
fine.
Okay.
All right, and you're gonna see a lot of other older fees on there, Mr. Owens, that you owed in the past. Those aren't, it doesn't seem like those are gonna affect your license, but I don't know if they can probably, I'm sure the court can still come after you for those fees, but if you take care of these fees, we'll close these matters out. And I can give you the case numbers for it, or you'll see it online when you go to pay. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes,
All right, will you stipulate on behalf of your client to the basis of the tickets as an accurate factual basis for these responsible, please, Counselor?
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
And will you stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, for SP 125-70622, I'm gonna amend that to blocking traffic, $175. That's a 0-point offense. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State. I call that akin to an expensive parking ticket. For SP 135-2194, count 1, I'm gonna amend that to limited access 1 to 5. That does abstract to the Secretary of State, but does not carry any points. That's $125. SP 105-84761, I'm gonna dismiss. SP 125-70621, I'm gonna dismiss. And SP 135-21942, I'm gonna dismiss. 175 plus 125, a total of 300. When can you pay it, sir?
can I get like 60 days to pay it?
I'm gonna give him till February 6, 2023. You pay it at any DivDag kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it. If there's nothing further, Mr. Owens, you have a safe, happy holiday season. I appreciate your patience and good luck to you, all right?
Yes, thank you, but I do have one question, Your Honor. What other tickets do you say I owe?
You owed some tickets way back in long time ago.
Because I paid all my tickets from a long time ago. If there's like 2015.
That's not what they say here. Let's see. These tickets are from 2015. Yep.
Yes.
1983.
Yes.
Yeah, it says you owe these tickets. You owe 210, 222, 276, 432. So.
Is these tickets affecting my license?
No, I would think, I don't know what, it's not affecting your license because you got a license.
Right.
Now, if you don't pay these other tickets that I gave you, it will affect your license.
Well, I have that paid, Your Honor.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. Have a safe, happy holiday season. Good luck to you, all right?
You too, appreciate it.
Thank you. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Vershawn Latrice Love. This is case number SP 136-00051. Let me see what this other tickets are going on. These other tickets.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
This is Kenneth Crooks again. It says I'm supposed to be in room 435, but nobody. I've been waiting since 9 a.m. What am I supposed to do?
Zoom in. You gotta go 0. You're in 434 now. You gotta zoom into 435.
Yes, sir. I was in 435 since 9 a.m. and I've been waiting since 9 a.m. But nobody.
No, sir. You gotta go next door. You put 434 instead of, you gotta hang up and go 360-435-0000.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm saying. I was in 435. I've been in 435.
All right, you're not gonna listen.
No, sir. I'm trying to explain what's going on, sir. I was in 435.
I know you've been in here since 9 o'clock. I've seen you in here since 9 o'clock.
No, sir. No.
Sir, excuse me, sir. You're gonna have to dial this telephone number to Corporal 435. You need to write it down.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I'm saying. I was in
Okay, this
435.
is the telephone.
Sir, please hold up, sir, and listen to the clerk,
This
please.
is the telephone number you need to dial. 313-965-2403.
Okay.
Thank you. You can leave the meeting.
All right, good luck to you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's also, well, that's it. Let's just call that case number. This is City of Detroit versus Bershon Latrice Love, case number SP 136-00051. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, Your Honor. Your name, ma'am?
Bershon Love.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause in the matter. Go ahead, Counsel.
Let's see. Your Honor, my client waives formal reading, stands mute.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. We'll give your client a $0 bond, and we will, the offer is gonna be paying the $240, and dismissing the ticket or setting a trial date. So allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I will say that we've entered into an agreement back in 2020 to another allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. You never paid that. You owe $288 for an old insurance ticket, which is probably affecting your driver's license. And then you owe a no plate ticket that you never paid. It was a default judgment entered in 2016. So I can set a trial date, or I can let her pay the $240, Mr. Faulkner.
You want you want to go into a breakout room, ma'am? And talk this
Yes,
over?
yes, please.
Which one are you on, Miss Love?
I'm on the iPhone.
Okay. All right.
Oh, it's like joint. Wait. Okay.
Going to breakout room, please. All right, I need to speak with Mr. Goss. Where is he on? Where is on Miss Lanier? Give me a few more minutes, Miss Lanier. All right.
Okay.
Who is Spur Baby? I know that name. They came in here with that name before. Miss Robinson, good morning to you. I'm waiting on probation to come down. All right, who's on the iPhone then? Her baby didn't answer. Who's on the iPhone?
Samaya Oliphant.
What's your name?
Samaya Oliphant.
Oliphant? Okay. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Excuse me, Your Honor. I don't mean to interrupt, but on Langley, I believe this is, and I'm here on Langley. I thought this case was going to jury trial.
Oh, I don't know. Let's see. But you do mean to interrupt. That's what excuse me is saying, right?
Well, yeah, I guess.
I'm just kidding. I'm just joking with you, Miss Robinson.
That's okay. Yeah, because I was appointed on a spot appointment. I thought this was going to a jury trial.
No, maybe that's what you want to do. Let's see. Let's see what. Let's see. Today is pretrial. Maybe we set a pretrial just to make sure you got the spot appointment and brought you in to see. Have you spoken with your client?
Judge, unfortunately, I don't have his phone number, or what I have is not correct. So the answer is no. I did speak to him in a breakout room last time. It was a spot appointment. I do have the order of appointment now, though, Judge.
Let me put you in a breakout room now. I'm gonna wait on probation and you can get the correct information. Okay. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Vershawn Love. I've given you an opportunity, Ms. Love, to speak with Mr. Faulkner in the breakout room. Mr. Faulkner, what does your client want to do?
Not guilty, question of bench trial date.
All right, is that what you want to do, Ms. Love?
Yes, sir.
All right, I got a bench trial date of February 5th, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right, if there's nothing further, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season. I'll see you back in the new year. All right.
Your Honor, can you please give me that date again? I was trying to write it down. I'm sorry. I apologize.
February 5th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
February 5th. Okay, thank you so much. Enjoy your holiday.
You too.
Okay, bye.
All right. Get Alapont.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Miss Danielle Chantel Lanier. Mr. Goss, Miss Lanier, is this Mr. Faulkner? Are you on this case?
I think so.
Miss Lanier provided what I'm satisfied. She has an improper plate, unregistered, untitled, and no insurance misdemeanor. She provided a valid, what I'm satisfied with, valid registration. However, she indicated to the court that the vehicle was not hers, and she was driving someone else's vehicle. It does state that driver on the ticket, driver operating vehicle with registered owner in passenger seat. Registered owner put plate from previous car on vehicle. Reason for stop was the improper plate. Driving on East State Fair, passing Gratiot Street intersection. So she did provide, and I can't understand, and I guess it's not that time for that anyway, why she has a valid registration but a different plate on the vehicle. But that's what the allegation says. I just don't understand that. But she does have valid registration, did provide the title of the vehicle, but it cannot provide the insurance because it wasn't her. And I think Mr. Faulkner mentioned that she's not obligated to have the insurance if the car, she can't get insurance if the car is not hers. What do you want to do?
Your Honor, however, whoever drives a motor vehicle in the state of Michigan is obligated to make sure that vehicle is insured, so that defense of they're not obligated, but the law says that every motor vehicle that's on a Michigan public road must be insured, and it's your responsibility to make sure that the vehicle you're driving has insurance. And however, in this matter, I don't have any problems with dismissing because the vehicle is registered and you have to show insurance to get the vehicle registered.
All right, Miss
Lanier?
Yes.
You know, I interpret that as giving you an early Christmas present. Well, not even
Thank you.
early, but it's Christmas time. We're going to dismiss the case and provide valid documentation. All right.
Okay, thank you so much.
Have a great day, ma'am. Good luck to you. All right.
You too. Happy holidays.
This is the city of Detroit versus Samaya Gale Oliphant. Case number
Yes.
SP 300223, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1395644, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Samaya Alafant, yes, I'm here.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name,
Are
ma'am?
you up? Are you up, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm up.
What's your name, ma'am?
Samaya Alafant.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause, Mr. Goff, Mr. Parker.
The honor, wait formal reading, stand mute.
Enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Do you have valid registration and insurance, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
You do?
Yes.
Let's see what you have.
It's in my car at the time. One
He
moment.
doesn't want to get out of bed.
Got to be. I got to work in a few hours.
We'll pass the matter until Ms. Alafant gets there. So, who is Furbay? Who is Furbay? Can you unmute yourself?
Yes.
And put your camera on.
Yes, sir. Jermaine
I'm
Lyles.
not calling you Furbay anymore. What's your name, sir?
Jermaine Lyles.
Jermaine Live?
Lyles.
Lyles?
Yes.
Can you remove your hat, please, sir? Oh, this
Sorry
is
about
from
that, sir.
At 8:25 at the bottom part of it.
City of Detroit. Did you do community service?
I did 5 hours worth.
That's not enough.
I'm trying to get extension. I had COVID and everything else in between and trying to take care of it, sir.
City of Detroit versus Jermaine Jerome Lyles, case number SP 133-1229, counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record, Mr. Lyles.
Jermaine Lyles.
All right, today is the date and time set for reviewing the matter. How much time do you need?
I only got 6 more hours to do.
But you got 2 improper plates. I don't know how that is. All right, 6 more hours. When are you gonna have it done?
Can I have to the middle of next month?
Are you going through Miss Green?
Yes, I think she sent me over to Love and Kindness to Miss Pugh.
All right, let's give them till after the holiday. Let's give them till January 13th, 2023, 8:25 a.m. Get in here early, 8:25, and get that done. Make sure you get that information to Miss Green so Miss Green can forward it to us and we'll get you in and out, all right?
Okay, you said January 13th?
January 13th.
Okay.
Have a safe, happy holiday season, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Alafant. Ms. Alafant, you need to provide the court with the registration and insurance.
Registration.
Very well.
My insurance.
Very well. I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation, all right? If there's nothing further, you can go back to sleep, Ms. Alafant, and have a safe and happy holidays. Go ahead.
I actually have another court case, March 9th for the same thing. Oh, okay, thank you so much.
All right, have a safe and happy holiday season, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you, you too, sir.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Arias Devon Langley, case numbers Z808-6461, see. SP 107-1288, count 1. SP 107-1301. 1. SP 1182176, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1332441, counts 1 and counts 2. And SP 3324701. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Miss Langley. Ma'am, please state your name.
Eris Langley.
All right, these cases, I'm waiting on, did we get probation?
Yes, he said he's pulling out the case now. He said, yeah.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Did you all have an opportunity to talk?
Yes, Judge.
All right. I want to just see how Ms. Langley's been doing as far as her testing is concerned. How have you been doing? How have you been doing, Ms.?
I've been doing good. I've been in compliance every week. Although I don't have a vehicle and hardly have a way to get there, I've still been making it happen.
But you've been getting here, right?
I have every single time. I got to go today.
All right, let's see what she has. Other than that, how long do you want this out, Ms. Robbins?
Maybe about 3 weeks or after the new year, Judge, so I can get the discovery.
All right, I'm going to give you a pre-trial date on 1/23/2023 at 8:30, or do you want a trial date?
I would need to see the discovery before I can make that decision, Judge. For my client can make that decision, excuse me.
1/23/2023 at 8:30. If your client has been compliant like she says she is, then I would be willing to entertain a motion as far as the testing is concerned.
Judge, at this time.
Even though the holidays are coming up, I know that that's a lot of time where the drinks are flowing, and she indicates that she doesn't have a vehicle, but that doesn't mean she can't drive. You have a valid license, ma'am?
Currently, one of these tickets that we're in court for is causing me not to, which I was, but I have a license. I obtained.
You don't have a license if one of these tickets is causing you not to have a license.
Right. So I'm trying to get to the bottom of that as soon as possible.
That looks like it's the SP 107-13011 ticket. That ticket was had, well, not that one, no, strike that. That's SP 133244112.
Yes, because I went Secretary.
So that was, all right, let's do this. That ticket is owed a $45 reinstatement fee.
I just Secretary of State, they told me I had to get sort of clearance from you guys before it can. About it.
Please. I don't really need the driving record too much, but let's see. This may cause you, this may not, it may be, she has a 625G permit. So I don't even know if, see, I'll give her the opportunity to pay this $45. I don't know if that's gonna solve her problem at this point, Ms. Robinson, but I will allow her to pay that $45 fee up front. Here's Officer Bradfield.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning to the court. Gary Bradfield, appearing on behalf of probation.
All right, we're in the record with Ms. Arias Langley. Can you give us an update on how she's doing?
Yes, Judge. Mr. Langley, we received a referral in my department.
Miss Langley.
Oh,
Miss
Langley, I'm sorry. We received a referral in our department for her to test once per week. And she was referred to test at Affordable Testing Service in Detroit. And she has done that. She's tested 7 times since her last court date. She's been positive for marijuana 6 of those 7 times. She does not have a medical marijuana card on file with the agency. It's not recorded at the agency nor with me. Her most recent test was December 3rd, and which was negative.
All right, what about alcohol? Any alcohol in our system?
No alcohol, Judge. No alcohol.
All right, this, all right, if that's it, go ahead. I appreciate it, Mr. Bradfield.
You're most certainly welcome.
You want to say hello to your lovely wife?
Hi, Attorney Bradfield.
Hey, Officer Bradfield.
How are you doing?
All right.
This is not a conflict of interest, is it?
No, because Ms. Bradfield's not on the case, Ms. Robinson. This is Ms. Robinson.
Oh, okay, that's right. I forgot.
Mr. Faulkner, it's always a pleasure, sir.
Oh, my pleasure's all mine.
Always.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Officer Bradfield, I appreciate it. That is nothing further. I appreciate it. I think, let me say this. I think Ms. Langley, so that's the second time that someone has referred to you as a he instead of a she. And I think they do that because of your middle name.
Devon.
Is that correct?
That seems logical.
Because Arius is like a cross-gender name.
Well, it's not Arius, it's Aries.
Aries.
But we were in you guys' cases, things that the last and probably middle name shows up first. That would be an assumption, but.
Yeah. All right. If it's nothing further, Officer Bradfield, I appreciate that.
You're welcome, Judge. Everyone have a great day.
Mr. Bradfield, I will be getting my my medical marijuana card over to you. I don't know how much longer I'm going to be on probation, but I do.
Well, I'm gonna say you're not on probation yet. This is just the early stages. I believe it was pre-trial. So you're not on probation yet. You haven't been sentenced.
And I'm gonna say this. Wait, now that you said that, you talk too much. Nobody, he's indicating that what he has, and that's all. I wasn't going to say anything about the marijuana.
Okay.
I was not going to say anything about the marijuana. I'm concerned about the DUI, which you could get a DUI on marijuana, but I don't know if I've ever heard of anybody crashing up cars with marijuana, but you can get a DUI. But this is a case of drinking. If I'm not, am I correct, Ms.
Yes, you're correct.
Robinson?
Yes, Judge.
All right. So let's and that's a tough one anyway with the marijuana now too, because you have a right to use recreational marijuana in your home. I guess the same would go with alcohol. You have a right to use alcohol, you just don't have a right to drive. But I'm still not concerned about marijuana, all right?
Okay.
All right. If it's nothing further, you want to make the motion, Counselor?
Yes, Judge, I would make a motion to amend the bond conditions to change them that my client no longer be required to test. It's a great hardship to her. She doesn't have a car. She has complied with the court's order. There's been no positive alcohol test. The substance in question in this case is alcohol. Of course, the court can, if the court decides to grant my motion, could reinstate testing at any time as this case progresses, if need be.
All right, I'm gonna grant your motion. I'm gonna, I feel that Ms. Langley is, giving us, a good picture of her future actions by her past, compliance, with at least alcohol. Since she said so, I want her to get that medical marijuana card to Mr. Bradfield though. And then, I will, eliminate the testing requirement, so that she doesn't have to test. I'm gonna still say no drinking, ma'am, during the pendency of this case. And then I'm gonna set a trial date for January the 23rd, 2023 at 8:30. All the other bond conditions are in place. If it's nothing further, have a safe and happy holiday season, ma'am. I'll see you back in the new year, all right?
Okay, thank you. And I can go and try to pay the $45 reinstatement.
Yeah, let's see, SP 133-244-12. Hey, reinstatement fee up front.
Right. So how would I go about getting a clearance in that nature? Because I went there.
Once you pay the reinstatement fee, you wait 48 to 72 hours, and a clearance should be sent over to the Secretary of State. It's going to take about 48 to 72 hours, and then approach the Secretary of State. But this is going to be a sketchy one there with that 625G permit. I don't know if they're going to be willing to reinstate your license. I don't know. But that's going to be a conversation that you're going to have with the Secretary of State. But you pay that reinstatement fee on that case number I just gave you, and that seems to be the problem I hear about. Let me look again about your driver's license. So reinstatement fee. See if this one has a reinstatement. No, that does not.
Yeah. The Secretary of State, that was the only thing on there holding me up from what they printed out to me. So
one ticket.
Yes.
Then you owe money on these other tickets that you entered into last year in front of me. All right, and you haven't paid them, so let's put a review date on those tickets. All right, if it's nothing further, have a safe and happy holiday season, Ms. Langley. I'll see you back in the new year.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.